To use password as your screen lock in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap screen lock type. If currently you are using a secure screen lock type, do your screen lock. As the example, this phone is using pattern as the current screen lock. So we have to draw the pattern. In order, we can change the screen lock type to another. Select password. Type your new password. As you can see, it's recommended that you create a new password that contains at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter for a better security. Tap continue. Retype your password to confirm it. Tap OK button. Now turn off the screen and then turn it on again. Swipe the screen. You can see that now you are asked to enter your password before you can use your phone. As a note, since password is one of secure screen lock available in your phone, when you are choosing password as your screen lock, you can also set biometric screen lock such as fingerprint or face recognition as alternative and more comfortable way to unlock your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.